It's March 20th, 2022. It's a really wet day here. Let's start the update with the blueberry. You can see the dormant buds have opened. You can see the leaves now. And it's all over the plant. Here's the saffron. Leaves are still about the same. Grape, I'm not seeing too much growth, but you can see a little bit of bud finally forming on each of the nodes. And here you can see more of the buds forming. And here's the mulberry. If you look really closely, you can see some buds forming as well. And over here's the raspberry. The dormant buds are beginning to open, as you can see. Here we have the bulb plants. You can see the daffodil is still flowering. I really like this variety. And here are some more flowers that's gonna open soon. Here's some more bulb plants. This is the glory of the snow. Doesn't look like there's any flower yet. Same with summer snowflakes, just leaves right now. And then over here we have the striped squill. Lots of flowers this year. Like a lot of flowers. I'm gonna move this downstairs for decoration, for display. And over here's the Persian pearl tulip. The flowers have started opening. You can see this one over here is closed because it's a rainy day today. But yeah, there's quite some flowers from all of these plants. And over here's the grape hyacinth. A lot of flowers sprouting as well. Gonna harvest some for indoor. And here's the flowers that I cut today for indoor. Some daffodils and some grape hyacinth. And here you can see the peony is sprouting too. Lots of sprouts this year. Hopefully we'll get some flowers. Here's the lavender. Some new growths from each of the sprouts. You can see that slightly greener part. Here's the rosemary, pretty much dead now. The crocus that I moved downstairs is pretty much done flowering. And here's the grape hyacinth latifolium. Flowers are still opening, a lot of them actually. And over here's the serviceberry tree. You can see buds are forming. Here's the hydrangea. Lots of sprouts over the plants. Let's start with the shooting star variety. Doesn't look like there's any flower forming. And here's the other big leaf variety. Can't really see anything just yet. Looks like it's all leaves for now. And right here, closer to the ground, you can see sprouts coming out. These are lily of the valley. And over here you can see winter jewels flowers are still around. A lot of them actually. And over here's a few more lily of the valley sprouts. Just give you a closer look. You can see the flowers already actually. And here are some more bulb plants. Crocus are done flowering for sure. Here's the hyacinth that I moved downstairs. Smells really nice. I'm gonna, of course, harvest some of these flowers for indoor as well. All the flowers are gone now from that flower spike. But however, here's actually more flowers forming from this other flower spike over here. You can see the flower buds are forming. And here's the frizzle sizzle. Look at all the flower spikes forming from the bulbs. Here's two. And then here's a big one. Looks like the flower's gonna open pretty soon. And I think there's a few more on the other side. Yep, here you can see here's another flower spike.